Okay, here's an unboxing of a Boss Body 2.0. Just ordered it not too long ago and it came quicker than they said it would. I'm pretty excited about it. If you don't know a lot about the Boss Body, it's a at-home like 7-in-1 gym system. You can do a lot with it. It's got their resistant bands and then bars, workout bars, so you're able to do squats, bench press, decline, lunges, curls, triceps, a lot of pretty cool stuff. So here it is. Got the bars here. They got everything pretty tied down. So here are your bars right here. Those open. Shout out to my handy dandy knife. So here's some bars. They're pretty heavy. They're pretty sturdy. They feel like something you'd work out with, you know, something that would actually work. You know, it doesn't feel cheap. It's like real metal, that kind of foamy stuff that's on the bars in the gym, so that's pretty cool. Shout out to them. Set that to the side. And then you got some, looks like curl. You can also do like chest workouts, like, so they have like an attachment. I think this guy here, one of these guys, I don't know, you can basically put it on the door jamb and do like different chest workouts, you know, different variations. And then here go the straps right here. They got everything in here pretty good. Like everything in here is pretty tied down. Try not to embarrass myself here. I'm cutting myself with tearing this thing. Alright. So here's one set of resistant bands. I ordered a couple. When you get it, just a FYI, you have to order like, so I think it only comes with 2. And I think these are the initial 2. And I think I have 2 more on the way. But you got to order like an extra set. Otherwise, you're only going to get 2 resistant bands, which if that works for you, then that's cool. But I'm a bigger guy, so like I need like more resistance to get the workout that I'm looking for. So these are the resistant bands. And then they have these carabiners that clip onto these right here, and that's when you hook it on. It's pretty cool. Pretty excited about that. Set those to the side. And some more straps. These might be wrist straps or leg straps. I'm not really sure. When I use it, I'll do maybe like a review on it. Come back, let you know what it's like. But I'm gonna set those to the side. Let you know what those are. Looks like there's some kind of bag they give you, maybe to transport like the straps and maybe the bars and all the other equipment, because this thing is very handy. Like when if you travel a lot, if you're in hotels a lot, things like that, you can take it with. It's easy to like carry along with you. It's not like super big and bulky. It's more compact, and you can take it on trips with you. Get your workout in the hotels. Right now, gyms are closed down, so this is like huge. It's one of the reasons we wanted to get it for like when we travel and stuff, and then when we're not able to access a gym, like right now. So yeah. And then underneath, let's see, there's a workout guide, some other paperwork stuff. We'll pluck that to the side for later. Read that. And then here's the platform. The platform is nice and sturdy. It's the same plastic type material. It's very sturdy, as like pallet jack plastic. I don't know if you're familiar with that or not, but this is what it looks like. You open it up, then it lays flat on the ground, and these different hooks here are where you hook straps, like here, and then here. And then that's how you get the workouts in. And then the extra straps that we have on the way, you can add those on, connect it to the bars that we have that it came with, and yeah, that's how you get the workout on. So there's like a little grip here for you to stand on. You can use shoes barefoot, probably better with shoes, and yeah, get your workout in. So that's pretty much it that came in the box. Pretty cool. Shout out to Boss Body, or Body Boss, excuse me. Total workout system. Pretty excited to try it out. Maybe it's a solution to not going back to the gym, back into the masses, but we'll see. Yeah, that's it for now. It's your boy, Work to Travel to Eat. I'll let you guys later.